Off the coast of Australia lies a magical place, the Great Barrier Reef. It is the biggest structure built by living things. Seen from space, it's a vast underwater city, a dazzling tapestry of coral reefs teeming with life. This underwater wonderland is a kaleidoscope of colour. It's home to a dazzling array of marine creatures, from tiny colourful fish to gentle giants. The Great Barrier Reef is a World Heritage Site. It is a vital part of the ocean's ecosystem. We must protect this precious treasure for generations to come. Stepping off the boat, I plunge into the warm, crystal-clear water. Sunlight dances on the surface, creating shimmering patterns below. As I descend, a whole new world unfolds before my eyes. Huge coral formations rise from the seabed. They are in every shape and size imaginable. Brain coral, staghorn coral, and delicate plate corals create an underwater maze. Fish dart in and out of the coral branches. Their scales flash with vibrant colors. A gentle current carries me along, as if I'm floating in a dream. A graceful green turtle glides past. Its huge shell glistens in the sunlight. I watch in awe as it munches on seagrass, unfazed by my presence. Schools of brightly colored fish shimmer and swirl around me. Tiny clownfish peek out from their anemones. A blue starfish clings to a rock, its arms outstretched. Everywhere I look, there is movement and life. From the smallest shrimp to the largest fish, each creature plays a vital role in this delicate ecosystem. The Great Barrier Reef faces many threats. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing are putting this natural wonder at risk. It's our responsibility to protect this precious ecosystem. We can all do our part by reducing our carbon footprint. We can support sustainable tourism and advocate for stronger environmental protection. The time to act is now. Let us work together to ensure that this underwater paradise continues to thrive. For generations to come, the Great Barrier Reef will inspire wonder and awe in all who experience its magic.